really good. And Adrian and others were literally crowding there at that point of time, which was fun to see that people are enjoying it. The one that was there for bullying and things like that, the social activity, was an excellent counter. At least we were able to explain and see and things around, because it's very difficult as a parent to explain the kid how things are to be done the right way. And in the open forum, it's much more difficult. But then it was very well explained. So thank you.
You know, when you reach out to each and every student, the way they explain the concepts, it gives a very clear picture that how kids are taught in the school. And it's so impressive because the students are talking with so much confidence. It's not something that they have learned and they are just mugging and then they are reciting. I have also asked them different questions on the subject that they are demonstrating, and the way they are answering shows that they understand the subject at concept level. So it's very impressive. And I'm glad.
What I really like about the school is your innovative ways of information sharing with the kids and educating them, especially the displays today, which were made as stations and created a game-like activity. I think very akin to the newer generation because they like collecting information in an interactive session. Love the display on the station 3, which is your entire green skills and brown skills, something new as a parent I have learned. So thank you.